taking a look at 4 water-fed poles, 30 foot, 3 35-foot poles. Chose the Zero Destroyer 30 foot because the Destroyer line is supposed to be their most rigid. Ovate's most rigid that we carry is going to be the Ovate Shorty 40 T material, and we chose a Reach It Warrior in the 35 foot because it's a rigid pole for their line as well. So looking at these 4, it's kind of a tie in rigidity between these two. What is it you're looking for in a pole? That's what we're here to help you, kind of see what the difference is. So you get the 2 most rigid poles. The blue Ovate is going to be the most flimsy pole. That's a $900 pole. You look at $1,050 for the Shorty. You look at $1,300 for the Warrior, which is also a rigid pole. It's probably the 3rd in this series here for rigidity, and $1,600 regular price for all these poles. So most expensive. The Zero does come with a lifetime warranty. Details on how to claim that, collect it, easy, not easy, have no idea. We've purchased these poles ourselves because we put feelers out there, Tucker, Reach It, Zero, nobody wanted to submit a pole to have it, in a lineup with these. We have no problem with choosing Ovate just to be the exclusive line that we offer at Window World Supply because we love what the pole is, price range to what you get for the pole, characteristics of the pole and everything. So as we look at these poles, a couple of the details are going to be, I would say the best built pole is going to be your Reach It Warrior is your best built pole. It has decent clamps. It has the, I don't know if they're called tube runners or hose runners. Keeps track of your hoses. That pole is designed, you can remove sections, use sections outside the pole. It has the very best end protection I've ever seen on any water-fed poles. It's like a stainless steel, I believe, and it probably is at least 1 inch tall inside here, a sleeve that fits inside there. You're not wearing this out. It adds the best protection you can have. It's a metal sleeve inside there. Downside, it adds weight. So it's kind of on the heavier side of a pole, but it's still a rigid pole. $1,300, it's a good price for a pole. For what you're getting, it's a 7-section 35-foot pole. Then you also have the Ovate, $900 for that 30T 7-section 35-foot pole. The end sections on that, this is Ovate are oval poles, so no spinning of pole sections. The only thing that is similar to that in what we're showing here is your Warrior. The Warrior doesn't spin when it's fully collapsed because it has a little system that interlocks them together only when they're fully closed. Other than that, they'll spin. Ovate never spins, can't spin. It is oval, and that oval adds a spine to it that makes a lesser quality carbon fiber a little stiffer because it adds a spine to it just due to the shape and structure of it. So we're looking at end protections on here. These do have a collar that slides inside there. They're replaceable. It is plastic, but it gives you end protection when you remove it from your main pole to use them at shorter lengths for less weight, which is nice. Replaceable. It's plastic. It's lightweight, so it's wearable, and you can replace it. When you look at the Zero, there is zero end protection. It's your same material all the way down. There is no end protection whatsoever on that. All these poles have a decent warning system when you get to the end of your sections. You can see all these. Some of them have just a 1-inch piece of tape or paint that indicates when you get to it. These are totally identifiable because of the size of them. One thing you'll notice that looks familiar on these poles, this is the Zero pole and the Ovate. The tape that they use, the carbon fiber appearing tape, looks very similar. You'll look, most poles are made in the same manufacturer in China. You choose what characteristics you want on poles and protection, shapes, colors, whatnot. So there's not much details besides what clamps are chosen, end protection, number of sections, and then pole material. Pole material is huge for what you're going to get and how it's going to operate for you. Zero Destroyer has your best warranty, lifetime warranty, hands down, no problems with that. Ovate, the manufacturer, gives a year on theirs. We, being the largest distributor for Ovate, we offer another 5 years beyond that. We've never had to submit a claim on any poles, and they're durable. We've never broken any of the poles. Any poles that we've broken in our past was a gardener pole. It's always user error. We drop it, the user drops it, something stupid. I don't expect anybody but the users to pay for that, or the companies, not the manufacturer. But that's a look at 4 water-fed poles in that series, 30 foot to 35 foot, kind of what you're getting, what to look for, what is it that you're looking for in a pole, and check out where you can get them all.